To change theme of your OnePlus Nord CE5, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings. There we go. Now move to the wallpapers and style. And as you can see over here, we can find our themes. So here we can find 1, 2, 3, 4 default themes, but also we can go for the more themes. And as you can see, we can also find some categories, some slick, pulse, some moments, composition, and stuff like this. So if I want to apply this theme, I will have to just click on it. There's the short preview, how it's your lock screen and home screen gonna change. You can still customize it for sure. So if you want to add some different styles into your lock screen, you can for sure do this. And you have to click apply. When you click here, you can also customize the lock screen. You can also customize this text. So we can change its its font, the text itself, the color of the text. So honestly, we can actually customize a lot of things here. And you can click apply and it will be finished after a few seconds. Take a look. There we go. So that's all, and thanks for watching.